Belief in the knowledge of Allah, that Allah as ultimate knowledge, also leads us to have a lot of times direction, guidance, and peace. Guidance. We make a lot of decisions, and we don't know if this decision will be beneficial for me in the long term or not. Would I regret of this decision or not? So that's why if you really believe in Allah's knowledge, turn to Allah and ask His guidance. That's what istikhara is basically is. Istikhara is to seek good from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and ask His guidance, because He will guide you, because He already knows will you be proud of this decision 10 years down the road, 20 years down the road, or you will be regretting it. So turn to Allah and ask for guidance for everything. Not only in major things, but in every little thing. That's why we keep asking in every rakat of our salah, Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. Ya Allah, guide us to the straight path. We're not saying, Ya Allah, guide me to Islam to become a Muslim. I'm already a Muslim because I'm praying. I'm asking, Ya Allah, guide me not only in general in my life, but especially in things that I'm doing after this salat. You know, whatever decisions I have to make after the salat, in my work, in my job, in my family life, Ya Allah, guide me to make it according to the straight path. So that is why, because I know Allah knows best, so I'm asking His guidance about in every aspect of my life, in my daily life. And so we should turn to Allah frequently, because He has the knowledge. Also, when sometimes, you forget things. And sometimes we become frustrated. Oh, I can't remember this. What happened? You're struggling to remember something, or even like name of somebody. I forgot the name of this person. Trying to, Ya Allah, turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahumma udhakirni, Rabbi udhakirni. Ya Allah, remind me. Ya Allah, help me to remember it. Turn to Allah, and you will see that Allah will remind you one way or the other, sooner or later, and it will come to your memory. Sometimes we lose certain things, right? We lose certain things and you get so frustrated. For example, you lose the keys of your car, and now all of a sudden you have to go and you have an appointment. You start, making life terrible unto yourself and others. I lost this, and screaming. And does that benefit me? No. It benefits me to turn to Allah, because Allah has already the knowledge of where are my keys. Allah has exact knowledge of what it is. So turn to Allah and ask for guidance. Ya Allah, show me where it is. Bring it to my attention some way. And one way or the other, Allah will bring to your attention. But Allah will test us, test our patience, test our trust and all that. So thinking about the knowledge of Allah, the vast knowledge of Allah, will help us in so many directions of our life, in so many aspects of our lives. And we would always, inshallah, stay humble, stay submissive to Allah, obey Allah and worship Allah and trust Allah, and have peace, have contentment in life, have confidence in the path of Allah and trust Allah. Subhanallah, our life will be completely different if we remind ourselves always about the infinite knowledge of Allah and the finite knowledge of ourselves or the humanity.